Alright, what you're looking at here used to be the German embassy to the United Kingdom. Now we're in London. To the left is the Duke of York on that column. And the ambassador at the time of World War II, right before it kicked off, was Leopold von Heusch. And he was actively against the Nazis, and they didn't think too much of him either. But he keeps being associated with Nazi Germany for good reason. He was the ambassador during their rise to power. Anyway, he had a little dog that was chewing on a power cord and electrocuted himself. The dog's name was Giro. And at the time, this little patch of land was connected to the embassy there. And he buried his dog here. And most of the locals call this spot where he's buried, or call him Giro the Nazi dog, even though he's wrongly associated with the Nazis. And it's right here beside the Duke of York statue if you want to come see it. And it's pretty neat. The dog is actually more famous now, I think, than the ambassador. But this is a neat historic part of town. Well worth checking out if you're in the area.